Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the extrude circular pattern. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And the first thing that we make will be the base. Okay, so we will create a slot, and the distance between the center of this slot is 100 millimeters, and the diameter here is 100 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, go to create, select slot, and select the center point slot, click here in the midpoint, 50 millimeters here, 100 millimeters here. Okay. And now we will create this two hole here, two circles with 15 millimeters of radius. So select the circle, click here in this point. The diameter is 30 millimeters. And make another circle here. Make these two circles equals with the same dimension. Okay. And now we use the same sketch to create the sketch of this top part here. Okay, so to make this, we will make an offset, create another slot here. So we use an offset with 10 millimeters of distance. So go to offset, select this slot, the distance here minus 10 millimeters. Okay, just to check the dimension, the radius here must be 40 millimeters of radius. It is the same of 8 millimeters of diameter. Okay, and now finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this profile. So go to extrude. We will extrude this 15 millimeters, the base. So go to extrude, select all this profile. Don't select the circles here, okay? And the distance here, 15 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. We made this one. Now show the sketch one again. And we will extrude the top part here. So to extrude this, the distance between the top plane and this face here is 8 millimeters, 90 minus 10. And we will extrude this. We don't have the dimension here, but we will extrude this 60 millimeters. Then we will make this cut here to remove this area, okay? So go to extrude. I will hide this body a little bit. Select only this profile, okay? And here, the start, we use the offset. And the offset here is 8 millimeters of distance, okay? And the distance of the extrusion, we can use 70 millimeters and press OK. Show the body one. I will hide the sketch one a little bit. We made this. And now we will make this cut. So to create this cut, we will create this line here. And the angle between this line and this face here is 10 degrees. So go to create a sketch and select this face and go to create, select the project including project, the selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. And now select line, make a line between this point here, this line and this line, and go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 10 degrees, and the distance between this point here and this point is 10 millimeters. So select this point and this point here, the distance here 10 millimeters, and press OK. And now finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, and the extend type, select all, flip the direction, the operation here is cut, and press OK. We made this one. Okay. And now we will make this part here inside. Okay, so we have the sketch here. We'll make this sketch, and the first thing that we make here, we'll create we will select this face here to create a sketch. So go to create a sketch and select this face. I will rotate this to the other side. Okay, and go to create, select the project, include project, select this face here and press OK. This body, and here we will create a slot with 100 millimeters, the distance between the centers, and the diameter is 50 millimeters. Let me hide this body. It's better we created a project of this body here. Press OK. I will hide the bodies. OK. So go to create, select a slot, center to center slot, click here on this point, and in this point make a slot here. The diameter 50 millimeters and press OK. And now we'll create this line here and this one. The distance between the lines is 25 millimeters. So select line, make a line here, and make another line here. Make the same here, okay? This line here must be horizontal with this point. And the distance between these two lines is 25 millimeters. The same here. Make sure that this line is horizontal with this point, okay? And finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile, okay? Show the body 1 and the body 2. And the thickness here is 10 millimeters. So the extrusion here, minus 10 millimeters. The minus is just to change the direction. The operation join and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this sketch here. And we need to extrude this 10 millimeters, okay? So to create this, go to create a sketch and select this face. And go to project. I will rotate this a little bit. And here, select specified entities. Select this edge here. Okay. And select this edge here. Press OK. And now select a line, make a line between. It must be here in this side, sorry. Let me rotate this. Select this point here and this point here. Okay. You can delete this line here. And now select a line, click here in this point, make a line here between these 2 points. Make a line between these 2 points here and make a line here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here must be 25. Or make sure that these 2 lines is parallel with each other, okay? And you need to create this line to make a profile here. So finish the sketch and go to extrude. The distance here is minus 10 millimeters. And operation join and press OK. We made this. Now we need to create in the other side. To create in the other side, you go to circular pattern. The object type, select the features. And the object, select the last extrusion here. The axis, select this axis here. The quantity here is 2. And press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.